Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your home for all things classic, custom, and cutting edge. Today, we're diving into a legendary comeback that's making waves across the automotive world. Yes, the iconic Volkswagen Beetle is back for 2026, and it's not just a rehash, it's a rebirth. So buckle up, because what you're about to see might just blow your mind. Now, if you're a fan of classic curves, nostalgic vibes, and legendary heritage, the Beetle name already holds a special place in your heart. Originally launched decades ago as the people's car, the Beetle has always symbolized freedom, fun, and personality. And in 2026, Volkswagen has done the impossible. They've brought back the Beetle with a completely new twist that still honors everything we loved about the original. Right off the bat, the 2026 Beetle grabs your attention with its retro-modern styling. The silhouette remains unmistakable. The rounded fenders, the compact two-door form, the playful yet bold design language, but now, it's sharpened with modern LED lights, cleaner lines, and futuristic touches that give it a real 21st century presence. The headlights and taillights are seamlessly integrated into the body, and the new optional panoramic roof takes the open-air vibe to the next level. Under the hood, it's an entirely new game. Gone is the old air-cooled engine. In its place, you'll find an all-electric or hybrid powertrain depending on your market. The EV version features a rear-mounted electric motor that's surprisingly peppy. With around 220 horsepower and instant torque, the Beetle is no longer just cute, it's quick. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 6.5 seconds, and it offers an estimated range of 280 miles on a full charge. Inside, the cabin is an unexpected blend of classic nostalgia and digital innovation. You still get that charming upright dash and circular styling cues, but now they house a massive infotainment screen, a customizable digital cluster, and voice-controlled features powered by Volkswagen's latest AI system. Wireless charging, ambient lighting, and even customizable digital sound profiles give the new Beetle a personality all its own. Volkswagen has also added subtle throwback features to honor the past. There's a flower vase option just like the old days, color-matched interior trims, and even a welcome chime inspired by the 60s-era Beetle buzz. And for those who remember road tripping in the old Beetle, you'll be thrilled to know that the 2026 version offers vastly more comfort and space, heated seats, improved legroom, and modern safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree cameras. So who is this car really for? Honestly, everyone. Whether you're a nostalgic baby boomer, a millennial hipster, or a Gen Z eco-enthusiast, the Beetle 2026 speaks to all of us in different ways. It's a lifestyle car, a conversation piece, and most importantly, it's fun. Volkswagen took a risk reviving the Beetle, but they didn't just bring it back, they reimagined it. And if early buzz and pre-order numbers are any indication, this modern-day bug is about to swarm the streets once again. Thanks for riding with us today on Car Trend. If you love this modern classic comeback, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Drop a comment and let us know, would you drive the 2026 Beetle? Until next time, keep the wheels spinning and the classics alive.